Hey guys, what's up? Sam here. So guys, today we are going to look at the Thinkpad. It's a USB keyboard and it's a USB Bluetooth keyboard. I just received it. So let's see. So guys, here's the keyboard. Comes in this packaging. I don't have the box right now because I got it without the box. Now see here guys, it's a Thinkpad. And the traditional track point is here, the buttons for the track point left and right, and the branding here, Thinkpad. Guys, this key you can see here, the USB adapter to plug it into your computer. That's the USB type C, that's for the charging. This is, as you can see here, let me just turn it around. Yes guys, now if you can see it perfectly. Okay, so that's the USB adapter for your PC if you want to connect it to your PC, which doesn't support Bluetooth wireless connection. This is for the charging because it's a rechargeable keyboard. It has a type C port here. You can connect it to an Android, you can switch it to a Windows PC, and then you have another option here whether you want to use it with the Android with Bluetooth or you want to use the adapter which has come equipped with it. And here's the power. Here's the power on and off button. That's pretty much it. And these are the kickstands for it. So if you want to raise and put it in an inclined mode, so this is how it looks like. So guys, the branding here, that's Lenovo, you can see. And here that's this top small notch, that's the light, the indicator. So guys, let me just charge it and then I'll show you guys how it looks like. So guys, here's my USB type C charger. You can charge it with the computer as well. So I'm just going to plug it in to the USB type C port here. You can see the light is on, it's flashing, that means it's charging. Right. And if I turn on the device, you will see this light that will turn on. You see the power light is on. And now if I like to hook it up to my computer, we'll just have to remove this adapter. It's better I remove the cable first, as I'm doing it with my one hand. So guys, let me just remove the adapter. Okay, I've removed the adapter. Let me just quickly plug in the power. So that's the adapter which goes into your PC or a laptop which doesn't support Bluetooth wireless connection. And here guys, if I wanted to connect it to the Android, I will just switch it over to the Android, and this button goes to the Windows side if you want to use it on the Windows PC. And how I'm going to use it, whether I want to use it with the adapter or whether I want to use it with the Bluetooth, that's for the Android phones. So that's the adapter. So that's the best part guys, that you can connect this same keyboard, you can leave it plugged into your laptop or a desktop PC, and you can leave it connected to a telephone, like a mobile phone as well. Sorry guys, that's an S22 Ultra. So I'll just go to the Bluetooth. I'll switch over to the Android and switch it over to the Bluetooth connectivity. Now guys, our Bluetooth is off. Let me just search. Just going to search the connections. Alright guys, it has come up now. So that's the Trackpoint keyboard 2. You just select this one. Then it says enter 511272. So that's the code on the keyboard which we'll have to enter. So that's 511272. Hit enter. Okay, that's connected to my phone right now. As you can see guys here, it says Trackpoint keyboard 2. That's connected to my phone. Now let's see. I pressed the escape on the keyboard and the phone screen just went to the home screen, as you guys can see. And then let's see for the app drawer. Okay, so this menu is not working. That's the choose your assistant. We don't want to choose any assistant. You see guys here, I'm just using the arrow keys to navigate to the different icons here. So guys, this keyboard, we have all the options here. That's for the back button, that's the home, that's search, and this is for the applications which are open on the mobile. So let me just click it here. You can see that what all applications are open here. It just switches through the menu. Now this is the back key. To go back, this is the home key. Like let's say this is the search. I don't want to search anything. I go back to this menu. I press the home screen will pop up. So there are these shortcut keys for the Android here, as you can see. Let me get it closer for you guys. Wherever you guys can see here. So that's pretty much about this keyboard, and guys, it's an amazing product, I can tell you. ThinkPad are really robust, and they are built tough, and they are long lasting as well. They are built to last. So guys, this device is amazing. I would definitely recommend using this device. I'm not being sponsored by Lenovo. I just bought this for my own money, and I keep testing devices because I like all the electronics. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks guys. Bye bye.